Hey guys, today I'm going to show you with 3 simple ingredients that's going to help you clear your block drain. These ingredients can be found in your kitchen. All you need is a half a cup of baking soda and a half a cup of white vinegar and just the boiling water. Now firstly, all you need to do is pour the baking soda down your drain, followed with all-purpose just white vinegar. Once you've done that, just quickly apply the drain plug into your drain hole. This will help all the chemicals build up and then clear that drain. Once that's done, give it 10-15 minutes. Then remove your plug and pour that hot water down the drain. That will melt away all the excess oil. Then hopefully, voila, you have a clear drain. Now if that doesn't work, it just means you've got an underlying issue further down, but don't stress. Give us a call and we'll send our block drain specialist guaranteed to get your drains flowing.